back to the Voice News. I'm Palak with you. Kejriwal's big announcement before Uttarakhand elections: 1 lakh unemployment will get the government job in 6 months. Delhi Chief Minister and AAP leader Arvind Kumar Kejriwal has promised government jobs to 1 lakh unemployment people in Uttarakhand within 6 months. There has been talk of creating a Ministry of Employment and Migration. Haldwani. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kumar Kejriwal reached Haldwani in Uttarakhand today. During this, he has made a big announcement regarding the Uttarakhand elections here. Kejriwal has promised to provide employment to all the unemployed in Uttarakhand. He said till that unemployed person does not get employment, one youth from each family will be given rupees 5,000 a month. Kejriwal said if our government is formed in Uttarakhand, then 300 units of free electricity will be given and the old electricity will be waived. 24 electricity will be given. I do what I say. We said that we will give free electricity, then we will give it. Also, if our government is formed, then employment will be provided to all the unemployed people of Uttarakhand. 80% jobs in government and private will be reserved for the Uttarakhand children. Kejriwal further said we had created a job portal in Delhi. A similar job portal will be made in Uttarakhand also. The Ministry of Employment and Migrations Affairs will be created. Its task will be to create employment, to stop the youth of Uttarakhand from migrating and to create a conducive environment to bring them back. Those who have migrated. Kotial Sahib know how to get jobs. He got the youth jobs when there was no employment opportunities. If you vote for BJP, you will get one chief minister every month. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.